guys, in this video I will show you how you can change FUT kit numbers in FC24. It's quite easy and straightforward, so without further ado, let's get started. Of course, first of all, what you need to do here, you need to open up your game and load up Ultimate Kit, and then you need to go to home here, the first option, then you need to go to club, and once you are in the club, go to squad. And once you are on the squad here, just then select the player here, then select the squad actions here and kit numbers. And then once the player is selected, as you can see here now, it's number 2. And then with my arrow, I can, as you can see, I need to select that. And when the jersey is, as you can see here in the blue color, now I can change my number to whatever I like, and then I just need to press enter, and that's pretty much it what I need to do here if I want to change my FUT players kit number. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.